I think we can share this video already with you guys, and it's all about the ATT, and it's all about a new option to install a new desktop. So Ctrl-Alt-T is gonna use, voila, a terminal. Then we type ATT so I can keep track of things. And this is the development version, so the dev version. So sudo pacman-s ArchLinux Tweak Tool DEV. And then in the development version, we're trying to perfect a new guy, Nimdow. Nimdow, sorry, Nimdow. So it's like Windows a little bit and then turn around the letters, I don't know. Anyway, Nimdow, right? So if you install this thing, it's gonna get every package it needs. Nimdow is now installed. I did make a new package for it, so let's do an update. And in here is not the new guy. Okay. So let me check that on the other end. Voila, created another package on the ISO builder. And all we have to do now is wait. And if we update, we see the new guy 21. Say yes, please. Scal is what overrides the current code. And we have Nimdow in the .config. Log out. What are we talking about? We're talking about this thing. And thanks to a user, I think Drunken Alcoholic, so out of my head, we have this. That's his code. And yeah, I've changed a few things, but mainly it's his code and his look, and I like it. So auto start is gone, quit is gone, and we had this. So we have here the bar. It's a tiling window manager. That's something you need to know up front, right? Super C is gonna kill the conky. We know the key binding is out of our head. Super Shift Enter is there, and Super X is the logout, and Super Shift X is the power menu logout, and it's all there. Super Q, Super Shift Q, removing things, and well, the rest is the bar, the desktop here, and variety is there and it works. We always have to do something extra for all these 30-ish desktops that we have. This is the variation of the user share backgrounds, but I like to have the var. So if I type var, I get my personalized variety configuration, which means I get new stuff in that I've never seen before, and that's fun. So we'll have an abstract, minimal space here. That's a nice one, this one. Click, and voila. Right, so these things, it's just fun and play, right? If you know that that var thing exists, you get now wallpapers from Wallhaven. For the rest, it's well, a bar up there and all the information that you need. I'm not gonna teach now, but I'm just gonna show for the guys who want to be testers, the developers, beta testers, right? Wanna participate in the code. Then this is your folder. You know what I'll do. I'll launch Sublime Text this way or that way, and then I'll drag the complete Nimdow in there. And you see I've been working on it, but just drag the folder in there because you need to read everything. Now that's not important, the conky we know out of our head, and this is the config, the TOML configuration. So this is something you need to read. Here are the key bindings, the scripts that we use, PyCom toggle, that's not important. And this is the bar up there, well actually this little bit I think, the Nimdow status bar. And here's the readme, so I'll have read it myself, right? Because it's not built by me, it's more or less code development or something like that. And here's the launcher, so Super D is gonna be there. And there we go, right? So again, not really in the ATT, it's in the ATT development. and it will stay there until we say, okay, now the code is finished and we have a go at it. Like for instance, let's log out and log back in and see if he finds it, because this should be the weather, so not available. This should be Antwerp or something like that, and it's showing not available. So we'll have to investigate that a little bit further as to why, because the other time it says 12 degrees and everything worked. So there's that. Okay, have fun joining us in beta testing in development of Nimdow. Cheers.